Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use SQR secure and secure root command in Semantic Manager Siemens PLC S7-300. So let's get started. I will open my Semantic Manager software and here we will take one input address for execution to our command. You can see in floating point section, when you click it on this plus icon, you can find this floating point section. Here is a SQRT and SQR command. These two commands. What's the function of these commands? Basically, these commands are look like a calculator. Here also one more. This is also, I will take this one SQR. Little introduction I will give you. This all commands are basically in the math function. This is the addition, this is subtraction, this is multiplication, division, this is absolute command, and this is same like as a one more command, this one secure root command. Secure root command and secure and secure root command already maybe you in 5th 6th 7th class, maybe in school you see these commands how this works yani in calculations. So here first I will take this one I 124.0 of my input address, and here we will take one data register MD5 an example, and here we will take MD10 data register, and here I will write this one data register MD10, and here answer we will take in MD20 because of our understanding which value I will giving to the secure root, and after it will be make secure and answer gives us the MD20. So this I will download to the PLC and click on monitor, and here an example. For example, modify we will value, for example, very simply 2.5. If I enter the value, after you can see this is the secure root. 2.5 of the secure root is how much? 1.58114, and when I secure command using, I put 1.58, same this value. I know like to be any copy and paste, it will be automatically this command, this value comes to this input and answer gives the output. You can see this same answer will be same, and this answer when we put it here, and after this will be showing the answer. How this answer coming, I will show you with one more explanation. For example, calculator we will take, and calculator 2.5 of the secure root how much? You can see 1.581138, same as 1.58114. And if this value, for example, this value I will copy, and this I will put in the secure root, secure, after you can see the answer is 2.5. One more example we will take. For example, 1.5 of the secure root how much? 1.22474, this answer, and this answer we will verify with the calculator. Again 1.5 of the secure root how much? 1.2247, 1.22474. This is same answer, and the same answer if we will put in secure, after you can see this is the 1.5 answer. After this will be shown same like yani. You can see in this one also in variable table. For example, 3.5 3.5 if I put, after you can see this is the secure root, how much 3.5 of the 1.87083, and when this value I put in this one in secure command, after you can see the value in 3.5. This also we can verify with the calculator. This 3.5 of the secure root, how much? 1.8708, 8708. And same if this value we will put in secure, after you can see this the 3.5 answer. So the basically this command is using for when you like to be with some person working for electricals, electrical formulas. In this commands basically using for this electrical formulas. If you doing for work in electricals, and if you like to make some formulas making for power factor, voltage, amperes, this conversions, same this command will be used into this area. If you're using look like this calculator, when you value coming from the field, and this value will be continuously shows into the secure root and secure, yani how much this value is secure. For example, you can see is the, for example, this three of the five, three of the secure how much, yani for example one is the secure how much, sorry this is C, one of the secure how much, one, and one of the secure root how much, one of the secure root one, and two of the secure how much, four. Same as this is, yani secure how much and secure root same, yani when you put of the four of the secure root, this is two, five of the secure root how much, this 2 point look like this value coming. After same 5 of the secure how much, 25, 6 of the secure how much, 36, same this one 7 of the secure root, 49, and same as for example 8 of the secure root how much coming, 64, 8 secure root 64. And if you like to for example 9 how much coming, 81, 9 secure 81, and 9 of the secure root if you need, after you will put this 9 of the secure root how much, 3, and here we will clarify this one, 9 of the secure root how much, 9 of the secure root how much, this one is 3 look like, then 9 of the secure root CE, 9 of the secure root is 3, 1.261 value look like this is the 3 in this other, yani floating point, this is look like 3, this is 1.26 decimal 9. And same as for example we will modify this one, for example 10.0, this one is how much, 3.1. And also one more thing, this is if we like to find this one 9.0, after you can find this one 3 answer, because of this is why in writing we have to be value we have to be correct, right? This is modify, for example 8 of the 8.0 if you write, after you will be get correct answer. 8 of the point how much, 2.8284, and 8 we have to be check this one, 8 of the secure root, see 8 of the secure root how much, 2.82842, 842, this one is showing 3 because of this is the long value. So same as if you like to be find 5.0, and this value you like to be need 2.23 2.607. Same 5 of the secure root, how much? 2.2360. Same this value will be show. So hope guys you will be understand about this secure and secure root command, how we can use in the program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.